What's up, y'all? It's your boy Stun in the building. If you don't know now, you know, hit that follow button. Become part of Stun Squad today on Twitch. Add me on Instagram because I'm on there daily. And subscribe to the YouTube channel because it's easy, it's fast, and it's free. And as you can see, we're on the road to 26,000 subscribers. And we gonna hit that by tonight. So let's get it. Either you can be a part of the team or not. You feel me? But today, I'm about to show you how to get these subscribers. Because that's what you need to get your... Like, you need to get your subscribers up and your watch time up. So your watch time on your shorts, you need to get it to 10 million views. Or you could get 3,000 hours watch time on your videos. It all depends on you, which one you prefer. And then you need to get 500 subscribers. So this is what's going to help you. You see my shorts right here? 18 minutes ago, 500 people watched. 19 minutes ago, 265, my fault. And this is the video I'm redoing right here because it obviously didn't have audio. So I'm gonna just tell you what I said before, alright? But it's gonna be ran down probably a little bit more quicker and some more added sauce. But look at the content. That's an hour ago. But look, this is yesterday. This one right here, the second video, see? 2,100. That was yesterday. I did that video yesterday. Yes, it's an hour and a half long. But I did it yesterday as a reaction. Same with the one under it. This one was just me talking. The one with the Xbox logo. You feel me? I'm just doing what I'm doing. So whatever I'm feeling and whatever I want to tell y'all, I'm just posting it on here. And if not, I'm reacting to some videos. You know what I'm saying? You see all my other views. On regular videos, they don't even break 100. But look, you're going to have that day. And my second to last video is at 2,000. I broke that yesterday. So that's my highest viewed. But this is where you get the subscribers at. The shorts. If this thing freaking loads. Okay, you see it? 45. We're going to look at everything until it says 1 day old. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17. I posted 17 videos today. Let's see what's the highest view. This is 2,000, 6,000, 1,000, 2,000. So my highest view one today is... that's not 6,000. Oh, I got 5,000 one in there too. We got a 6,000 viewed short. And that was today. I posted it this morning. 6,000. So that's 6,000 people that watched my page. And out of those 6,000, let's see how many subscribers we got. And if you see this, it says in the last 28 days, not overall. In the last 28 days, I got 20,000. My subscribers are 25,000. You know what I'm saying? So in 28 days, less than a month, you can get what I just got. Alright. I got 700 yesterday. This is all you gotta do. You go on YouTube, you go to the shorts, and you look at a video. Go to, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna pop up like this. You can hit the shorts right there. Look at whatever you want.
You never shaved before?
I'm gonna click this.
Like ghetto leave,
bada bing, bada boom.
Not with
I'm
this
gonna watch that.
You don't shave your balls.
Bam, bam, bam.
I don't grow hair on my balls. I'm still
You're gonna click remix.
Like 10.
You're gonna click green screen.
I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Don't I have to
If I click it, it's not
It
gonna
just
let
smell
me.
good. It just smell good.
But you click green screen.
Damn,
You
son.
adjust your
Well, I start
camera.
from bottom to
So
top.
that way, it's where you want it. I put mine in the bottom right. You can see it on my page after you watch this video. Look at how I do them. Bam. You do that, you post it up. Once you post it up and you're in the captions, you tap every hashtag that you can think about that's related to that video. And if you cannot, there's hashtag that's going to pop up when you're writing. Go to the caption, tap it. Hashtag's going to pop up at the bottom. You just click every single one of those until you can't write no more. And then post. I would say post 4 to 6 in the morning, 4 to 6 in the afternoon, and 4 to 6 right before you about to like take it down for the night. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You do that for 28 days, you're going to have this amount of followers. 25,900. 25,900. Like, come on, bro. Just from shorts. And then from this, you already passed your 500. You feel me? your 500 subscribers that you need to get start getting paid, you already passed that. And with all of these numbers that you're doing, they're gonna all add up into the 10 million, just like my did. I got 10 million short views, and that's what's got me to get my process of getting my application sent so I can get paid. You feel me? So that's all you gotta do, bruh. It's that easy. I'm nothing special, bro. You can do this too. Go on your shorts, click shorts in the bottom, boom, do it. Okay,
I do
I can't
like
remix
chocolate,
that
so
one.
let's see if I'm...
You don't like the dance? Come on, do the cha-cha. Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa. True fact, everything I do, they call it flocka. All they do is copy me, I call them Waka. She keep worried about my hoes, I had to block her. Had to kick off the list, I'm playing soccer. Why you acting Jamaican? You're not even the roster. If you really a Jamaican, make the... You don't like the dance? Come on, do the cha-cha. Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa. True fact, everything I do, they call it flocka. All they do is copy me, I call them Waka. She keep worried about my hoes, I had to block her. Had to kick off the list, I'm playing soccer. Why you acting Jamaican? You're not even the roster. If you really a Jamaican, make the... You don't like the dance? Come on, do the cha-cha.
I'm saying all this content you can react
Right,
to.
look down
This, I don't know her. I don't know them. You know what I'm saying? Just go on there and freaking
And she bougie.
remix it. If it says
She get bad vibes out of it.
if you like the video, go do it. This is what's gonna get y'all there, bro. And whenever I know more, I'll let you know. But if you don't know how to do videos, like real videos, or what to do, I would say start a reaction channel. Cause look at my last video, 2,000. So proof is in the pudding. So yeah, if you don't know, now you know. Hit that follow button. Become part of Student Squad today on Twitch. Add me on Instagram because I am on there daily. And subscribe to the YouTube channel because it's easy, it's fast, and it's free, you dig? Road to 26,000. It's just a little sauce, bro. When I find out some more, I'm gonna let y'all know. Peace.